Hee-haw, y'all, and welcome to an installment of Repro Roundup, where we compare original vintage accessories to their reproduction counterparts. On this week's installment, the Yoda Cane.
You've searched the internet for months. You've saved all of your change for over a year to get the figure, the one figure that completes your collection. The shipment finally comes in, you open the box, you rip through all of the packaging, and there it is. And it is glorious. But wait, could that be a reproduction accessory that came with your beloved figure? 5 Idiots Talking Toys is here to help you determine whether that accessory is reproduction or original with the weekly Repro Roundup. Hello everyone, this is John from 5 Idiots Talking Toys, and on this installment of the Repro Roundup, we're going to be talking about the Yoda Cane, also known as the Gimmer Stick, the Geimer Stick, or the Jimer Stick, or the Jimmer Stick. Yoda Cane. Alright, so what we're looking at here is we're looking at two different Yoda Canes. The one on the left is original, and the one on the right is a repro, or reproduction. A couple of things to notice. See how this is really shiny? This seems shiny right now, but when you look at it close up, it's not as shiny. That's one tell. See if I can get it focused there. Yeah, see, it's kind of dull. Right? You can really make out the details on the knot. With the reproduction, the details aren't nearly as prominent, but it's super shiny. Another thing you can do with this, whenever I get like an accessory that's usually the bows or the canes or the staffs for Ewoks, you can take it and you can scribble with it. That's another way to tell if it's a repro or not. Another tell for the original cane, you can take the original cane and you can bend it like this, and it always goes back to its original shape. Okay. So it'll always go back, it will go back eventually to its original shape. That's how you can tell that it's real. These repro canes, even though there is some good detail work here, they're not flexible. So you can take your repro cane and it'll break just like that. So they're not flexible at all, and that's what the inside looks like. It's white plastic and it's painted. You can write your name with it. That's our Repro Roundup for this week. There is the original Yoda Cane, and there is the reproduction Yoda Cane. Thanks for watching.